Each type of safety equipment has its own maintenance needs. Here are the best practices for maintaining commonly used safety equipment on Nigerian worksites. In this video, we will be discussing the key maintenance practices for different types of safety equipment. Routine inspections. Conduct regular inspections of safety equipment to detect signs of wear, damage, or malfunction. Create an inspection checklist for each type of equipment. For instance, fire extinguishers should be checked for pressure and functionality, while PP should be examined for cracks, frays, or wear. Cleaning and sanitization. PP, such as respirators, gloves, and helmets, should be cleaned frequently to prevent contamination and prolong their usability. Respirators, for example, require careful disinfection and filter changes to ensure optimal performance. Replacement and repairs. Set clear guidelines for when equipment should be repaired or replaced. For instance, if a helmet has visible cracks or dents, it should be replaced, while gloves with minor wear may be repaired. Delaying replacement on damaged equipment can compromise worker safety. Regular maintenance of safety equipment is essential for keeping Nigerian worksites safe, compliant, and efficient. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on key maintenance practices for different types of safety equipment, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.